Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check my SEVIS status. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so SEVIS stands for Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. Now, step one is we need to go ahead and know our SEVIS ID. So your SEVIS ID starts with a N followed by a series of numbers. So for example, N12345678990. You can find this number on your I-20 for F1 students or DS2019 for J1 exchange visitors. Now, there's a few different ways how to check this. So the first step is to contact, or first method is to contact your school or program sponsor. So your designated school official DSO or responsible officer can access your SEVIS records. We can ask them to verify your current SEVIS status, which is active, terminated, completed, or pending. Any updates or corrections needed if you're in your record. Now, the next way is to do it yourself online. So to do this is open up a Google or your web browser and go to Google, then type in check my SEVIS status, and then click on the one that says check 901 status here from fmjfeed.com. Now from here, we want to go ahead and fill out our SEVIS ID. So that starts with a letter, and then as I stated, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Throw in your last name and also your date of birth, and then click on check status and also view payment confirmation. So always keep your I-20 or DS2019 up to date and maintain active SEVIS status as it's required for your visa and stay in the US.